I have a wooden spoon.
Okay. I have your soap dispenser.
Okay.
Okay, I can ask you a question first. Can you drop your wooden spoon from halfway up? Okay, that kind of sounds like a wooden spoon. Okay.
Can you clink the soap dispenser on the table? Kind of sound like it, but
Can you roll your wooden spoon against the table?
can you pump the soap dispenser?
It's pretty much empty, so I don't know what will come out, but I could try.
It sounds more like a spray bottle.
That's your soap dispenser. Can you, what else can you do with the wooden spoon? Oh, can you make it spin? I do think you have a wooden spoon. Doesn't he sounds like it?
Can you roll?
Yep.
I hear liquid.
Mm-hmm.
It sounds square. Sort of. It didn't roll nicely.
Are you ready to guess, or do you want to do another round of questions?
I think you're lying.
I think you're telling the truth. I think you have a wooden spoon. What do you think I have?
I think you have like a spray bottle, like for my plants.
Yeah.
My vinegar.
Your vinegar.
There we go.
Yeah. You had the wooden spoon. Yeah.